Today I have a little share of something I purchased from Sacredmementos is I think the name. I'm not sure if that's the name of the channel. I'll be sure to link the channel below, but they do live sales. And I bought this really cool, it says Eclipse file letters. And you open it up and this, whoops, this opens up so you can get into it easy. And then this is all railroad ephemera. And then I got one that had all the files inside, so I'm excited about that. So this and these, and they were a decent price. I mean, I was actually surprised at how little they were selling it for. And it depends on what you get as to the price, you know. Some things seemed a little pricey to me, but people were buying them, so they weren't pricey for them. But I think for people that don't go to antique stores and thrift stores and don't have that option, and it probably is a good price. Ooh, sorry about that. I did not know that was going to be so loud. Where's the... Alright, let's get them out of this real quick. So apparently she had gotten a whole bunch of railroad ephemera at some point, and I know that my son's girlfriend is definitely going to want to go through these. Gulf Mobile and Ohio Railroad. So these are really cool. These will be... I think they're actually photocopies, but I still like the print and the color is really cool. But like old photocopies, like on this cream colored paper. But and not photocopies, but like the whatever it was that would always leave a little black on there when you made a copy. This is definitely an original. 1964. I love these little stamps on here. I love anything typewritten, so these are awesome. I am going to have fun playing with these. And I'll see this one. I think this one is like, it's on the cream paper, but it doesn't have that. Maybe that color's from something else. I don't know, but look how, oh, I might have to make just a journal just using these. They're not too bad. They are, they feel like at least 24-pound paper. So they're not even like the cheap copy paper, but they've got the numbers and everything. And you know I like numbers. I love numbers. Oh, there's like this, a file folder here. A nice grungy file folder from June, July 1948. So we've got some letters here. Mobile, Alabama. Ooh, a handwritten letter. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. So this is what they want to go. Oh, see, this is from the reference. This is all the correspondence for that. So that is cool. Oh, this is on onion skin paper. And dates. Oh, this is blue. That's cool. I mean, they're not super easy to read, but that's okay because they're the, you know, the second copy, whatever. Probably carbon copy. That's the word I'm looking for. And they'll be cool in some, they'll be cool in collage is the words I'm trying to say. Oh, look at this rusty pin. They would, instead of staples, they would use pins. Oh, that's cool. Got some handwriting. So these are cool. I'm loving it. I love the pins as a stapler, just get me. I'm just like, oh, and now I've got rust. So if I want to make some rusty stuff, I got to remember those pins are there. More of the blue carbon copy bits. Your time ticket dated 7/25/48, claiming 1 day's time for yourself and Mrs. William F. Hall and Mr. William F. Kerfman for coupling air hose at SAO and House and New Yard is being returned, herewith declined. I don't know. They declined the time ticket, whatever that was. Your time ticket claim is declined. Boy, I don't know what all these time ticket claims are, but they like to decline them. Let's see, did they delay for crew as a unit for after which is 25 minutes and not sufficient terminal delay to give you the 1 hour overtime. Oh, overtime was delayed, denied. Denied. It's just a lot of declined. What was it for again? Your time ticket. No time ticket for you. Oh, another rusty pen. So yeah, these are cool. Let's see. So this is like on like 20-pound paper. This is on the onion skin paper, which is a little different than the onion skin paper I have. So, or typing paper, I guess you would call it, the thinner paper. The onion skin paper I have has just a little bit of a wrinkliness to it. But I might want to kind of like maybe gel print on the back of some of the typing paper so that like the words show on one side and there'll be paint on the other side, which will kind of strengthen it a little bit too, and it would kind of show through. That might be kind of fun. This is a different color, but this is more like the onion skin that I found at the thrift store one time, and keep looking, hoping I find some more. But yeah, I love typewritten stuff. I'm pretty sure that my son's girlfriend is definitely going to want to look through these. Yeah, that was a journal I made when he first started dating her for her 18th birthday, I think it was. I made her a train journal. She's very much into trains, train fan, because her dad is. And so that's something they do together. They collect the miniature trains. They go look at trains. And so, I mean, the file box is cool, but when she said it was full of railroad ephemera, I was like, yes, please, thank you. So the way they have live sales twice a week, and then, well, she tries on Friday to get the invoices out. You have to email her your address and whatnot before you can buy anything, but it's really pretty simple. And just be patient, because sometimes life gets in the way, and sometimes you don't get the invoice when you think you're going to. But I was patient. I didn't bug her. I was just like, you know, life probably got in the way, and I'm just gonna wait. And if I would get there, if I would go watch the video, she probably says at the beginning of each sale, you know, if she's behind or not. I just had these more typing papers. Yes, got a lot of these. I'm excited. Okay, and I think she has like a whole, every few weeks or every couple months she sells more of these, because she's got so much. So you might want to go check out her live sales. I kind of am afraid to go to too many live sales because I might buy too much. But I can honestly say that you can go there and they send you an email with the invoice, and you pay and you do get your stuff. And it's cool stuff. And I think I got a good price on what I got too. I mean, really good, because this is a lot of ephemera. I think she said it was 2 pounds. So, I mean, and I got about this much ephemera from the antique store, and that was like $70. This was less than $30. With that, I think, including the shipping, because you get the shipping afterwards, you find out. But the shipping, I think she uses pirate ship like I do. Oh, if you ship stuff out, like packages, you need to check out pirateship.com, because that will save you money over just taking it to, there's a hole. There's a hole. We love holes. Holes and rips and all the things. It makes us happy. Like this down here, I just want to glue that onto something so I get all that lovely holes and rips and just have it all showing. Has to be glued on top of something else. So lots of these things. A lot of, let's see, hey, if it's in blue, it was declined. If it's in black, it didn't, or what? Show time each man went off duty. Comply with my bulletin. So this is a lot of like in-house stuff, I think. So this must have been where they requested some handwriting there. Conductor, referring to your time ticket dated July 7th, which you've claimed 106 miles through freight rate of pay train number 131 Tuscaloosa to West End Yard, and your time ticket dated July 8th, on which you have claimed 106 miles through freight rate of pay train number 130 West End Yard to Tuscaloosa. On each of these tickets, you made the following notation: claim conductor allowed to go on train number to West Yard on accordance with. I don't know. It's just a bunch of in-house stuff. It's kind of interesting. I don't know. Don't be mad at me that I didn't finish reading it. It was a lot of words. Declined. Declining your claim again. I think someone was just like, we're going to hire you, and all we want you to do is just decline people's claims. I don't know. Have you seen any that were not declined yet? I haven't been reading them all. I'm going to have a lot of... Ooh, paperclip. A rusty paperclip. I'm very excited. Oh, there's some rusty staples. Yes, we'll be using those at some point. Someday, I'm going to do some rusty fabric, like what was sent by me by my anonymous Happy Meal person, because I just think it's really cool, and I want some more rusty fabric. And I've got some nice rusty stuff happening in this pile here. Did you guys know they used to use a pen instead of a, like in lieu of a stapler? I did not know that. Now I do. Received Golf Mobile. It must be 2:30. My watch is going off. So yeah, so these are so cool. I'm trying to see if there's something a little bit. This is fragile, but so it's cool. It's got nice color. A lot of typing paper in here. I'm gonna say if you're able to get some railroad papers from her, you're gonna get a good deal. Even if you don't get the box. Pretty sure, like, she'll probably, if you're like, hey, do you still have railroad paper? She'll be like, yep, this is how much they are. I don't think you have to wait for them to come up in a sale to ask for them. But, yep, I will link her in the description box below. She does lives, and there's a couple ladies that help her out, so it goes a little more quickly, and they're very, you know, they try to be as organized as possible, and having the 2 extra set of eyes on things helps you not miss people that have requested whatever is for sale. I think last time she had this, and then she had, oh, I can't even remember what she had, but some cool stuff. I think there were some ration books and stuff like that. But I mean, for the price I paid, I got a freaking lot of stuff, tell you right now. I'm just skipping through some because that's just a lot. And some rusty bits to boot. So the heavier papers, like at the beginning, those were a little bit heavier, and I think I'm going to make a journal with those. And some of these, I think I'm going to be doing some gel plate printing on the backs, so that I still have this on the front. I don't know. I'll try them out and see, or some inking or something. I don't know. There's a lot of nice typing, a little bit of dust here and there, but that's not from her. That's because they sat at a train station for who knows how long. That's so cool. A lot of. I don't know, Gail was just talking about that dissertation she has is all of the printing of the type print, and I kind of feel like that I just got that type print lottery, you know, because it's all hand typed, and there's lots of it, and I'm like, yep, that's kind of like Gail's dissertation. I got lots of printed, lots of hand typed papers, and that makes me happy. Looking at, I don't know what that, something only, condor only, I don't know, color only, what? Office hour, I don't know what it says. 1948, it could say color only, I don't know. This, I don't know if that's like the date, May 20th that came in. I don't know what the numbers at the top mean. 6/5, June 5th. Or maybe that's when it occurred, the date at the top, just to remind them of when it was. See, look, isn't that cool? I love this paper. It's just, I love it. Thank you, ladies. The 3 ladies that do all this. I don't remember any of their names except Patty, because Patty was the one that sent me the email saying it's shipped. Look. Let's see. This is actually a little bit heavier paper than some of the others too. And it's just all, you know, typed. Yeah, I feel like I got a really good deal here, in case you're wondering. That'll be, when you got handwriting for collage prompt, you don't have to do your own handwriting. There you go, somebody else's handwriting, and it's like random enough. Oh, look at all this typing paper. I got a lot of these. I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to do with these. I'll figure it all out. Whew. Little grits. Can't help the grits when you've been in a railroad station office, even if it's just the office. It's mostly just typing paper, and more of those carbon copies, and more typing paper, and some handwriting down there, more typing paper. I think I have enough here. I could even send some to P that she can She probably wouldn't though. She'd be like, no. Just like she won't take apart a book. She probably wouldn't gel plate print on this typing paper. I would. I'm like, it would have ended up in the trash if somebody like us didn't find it to use in journals and whatnot. So yeah, this is what, I think she said 2 pounds. So this is what 2 pounds, and it's a lot because that's 2 pounds of typing paper. Typing paper weighs less. So you get a lot of it. I don't know how many people actually lasted this long of a video. Because it's just me rambling on, showing papers. Let's see. And it was just for like those 2 months or whatever. It was a lot of... What's this one? Ooh, look at the aging on that. See, if you left, you missed that. And all these little rusty pins are just loving it. Declining claims. That's what we do here, apparently. That one's a little different. It doesn't smell any worse than an antique store. It's just old paper smell. Or an old book. But not an old book that has, it doesn't smell musty or anything. It's just old. It's just all the old. Because it is old. And, you know, surprisingly, because back then people probably smoked in the office. So surprisingly, it does not have that. So there you go. That was my share from Sacred Mementos. I will share them down in the description box below. And I hope you all have a delightful day. Love you.